Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is one and I'm doing yet another video on my Lockup review series that I'm doing, and this is Lockup season 2 episode 2 review. So much happened, right? Second episode, and there's so much kalesh, so much drama going on everywhere, and I'm gonna talk about it all. I'm a bit sick, so my voice is going to be a bit, so please manage. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Yeah, let's get into the video. So the first scene that came out was that Yogesh said, तेरी भाभी है, ये तो भाभी है. So they are teasing the audience, teasing him, teasing, and इस teasing में बहुत पता चल रहा है that they might come back together, maybe, possibly, who knows, right? So he was sitting with Lela and he said, ये तो तेरी भाभी है, ये तो भाभी है. That they were like teasing each other and all of that. And I felt like even though Lela की like कोई गलती हो सकती है maybe, और maybe नहीं भी हो सकती है, but he gave me that vibe कि like वो हर वक्त जा रहा था, apologize कर रहा था बार बार. He was apologizing again and again to Sufi, even though पता नहीं किस चीज़ के बारे में उनकी बहस चल रही है, right? But he was like, he was genuinely, I felt like वो अपने दिल से बार बार आ रहा था, उससे बोल रहा था, you okay, like are you feeling okay, you're feeling fine. That's so cute, like that's Dilli behavior right there. And Akanksha and Yogesh spoke with each other a lot, and वो लोग flirt मार रहे थे. तो Yogesh was flirting with Akanksha y'all, and Yogesh called her Pari and all of that, and I was like, why was I blushing? Like that's so cute. Like that's extremely cute though. And so the makers called everybody in the common block, but before that they actually needed to eat something, so they had like some names that were given to them. So जो भी उनका sleeping blocks था, उनके आगे उनके tags थे, keywords type थे. So every week कोई ना कोई निकलेगा y'all. So in the next 6 weeks somebody is gonna get 1 CR, which is again crazy to me. Crazy that they're giving such a big prize money, but it's Netflix, you cannot deny that, right? The band that they had on their neck, which I don't personally like, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत भद्दा लग रहा था, but that is a status band. So if it is in a green light, you're safe for the week, you're like good, you're like not in the elimination zone. And if you're like that band is red, you are out, like you can be out the end of the week and stuff like that, right? Netflix ने सोचा कि चलो they gave us such good content and everything. तो Harshad and Akanksha G, I will call Akanksha G and Akanksha Chaudhary differently so you don't get confused. So Akanksha G, they gave like an advantage, Akanksha G and Harshad, because they already spoke their secrets on the stage. So they were like, you're like, you're safe for the week, like you're safe for this week. So they got the green bands and everybody else got the red bands in their necks. And Yogesh proper, why did I feel कि Yogesh पूरे time आकांक्षा को पटाने की कोशिश कर रहा है? Like is it just me, or like did you guys feel that same way? Because I think उसकी image इतनी destroy and damage हो चुकी है that now in this show he's going to try and पटाओ her, मनाओ her. I'm all in for it. I kind of find them cute, I don't know. So everybody got some names in front of their sleeping cells. So there were so many different names, right? The first person that was called was Ram and Dheeraj. So they got some names which I don't honestly have not written, so maybe like I don't remember. But Lela got misogynist, y'all. Misogynist. He got misogynist. And he's like, ye kya hota hai? Like he did not know the meaning of misogynist, and that was just too funny for me. And Pam got toxic, and she was like, yes, like she was so proud about that, like, yes, I got toxic, yes, I'm really toxic. I'm like, that's not something to be proud about, but okay. Then Akanksha G got unsanskari. Wow, that's such a big word. Okay, that you got unsanskari, which was like, why was she so happy about that word? Like, if somebody calls me unsanskari, I would not be happy about it. But okay, maybe that's a coping mechanism. And Shreya Kalra got desperate. 100% agreed. I think she's extremely desperate for footage and all of that stuff. So 100% the tag was definitely appealing. Okay, and there was like these kind of names given to everybody. Yogesh got cheater, Akanksha got Bewakoof, which both of them I do not agree with, but okay. And then basically if you accepted that word whenever they were, you know, giving it to you, like the sleeping blocks one, so you're gonna get 10k for each person that has agreed to it. So their ration amount was like 1 lakh at the end of it, because 10 people agreed to the names that they were given, which is so weird. Okay, and I feel like that's such a stupid plot of the game, but that's what basically Netflix was like, you better agree with the name we are giving you. Like they had like this gun on your head, like you need to agree so that you can eat. They literally wanted to, you know, throw in that that masala, I feel. So kara unhone bhai, mast kara. A digital canteen, इतना chic क्यों लगा मुझे ये नाम? I was like, this name is so chic, digital canteen, and they're like, you know, they have to order on a like a smartphone, big ass smartphone, and they can place orders on it. It's like a bloody restaurant, right? I thought it's my kitchen hoga. People will like, you know, fight over who is cooking, who is not cooking, who is doing jhadu pocha. Nothing like that I've seen, so God knows, right? जब रितेश बाहर जा रहा था after explaining everything, and you know the contestants ask कि तुम्हारा, you know, like हमें टाइम तो बता दो, 12 बज गए क्या, 12 बज गए, and रितेश मुड़ के बोलता है तुम्हारा टाइम खराब चल रहा है and in such a like a fake as वो क्या बोलते हैं, like fake-ish tone, which is fine, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, शक्का सी, right? And तो Akanksha G से पूछा गया what is her age. So Akanksha, Laila and all of that were sitting, you know, and Akanksha बोलती guess my age, and they were like, you're like 25, 26, and she was like, I'm 35. Like she's trying to show off that, you know, she's 35 and she looks so young. Bruh. People say I look 25 and I'm 20, so ठीक है. सो योगेश साइड में बैठा था, एंड लैला ने ना मस्त टॉन्ट मारा उसको कि ये तो चीटर है, तो बाहर जाके वापस चीट करेगा, एंड दे वर लाइक लाफिंग एंड ऑल दैट, व्हिच वाज सुपर फनी ऑफ कोर्स. And then this whole thing, that fight that happened between Akanksha and Shreya, which was super explosive, I feel like, because ये दोनों पहली बात अपनी स्टोरीज एक दूसरे के बारे में बता रहे थे, दैट यू नो आकांक्षा एंड श्रेया स्पोक विद ईच अदर अबाउट अ पॉडकास्ट. तो श्रेया एक पॉडकास्ट चलाती है, सो शी वाज लाइक आकांक्षा यू शुड कम एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट लाइक श्रेया की पॉडकास्ट में कुछ लोग आए थे जिन्होंने आकांक्षा के सोने वो ने पता नहीं ऑल ऑफ दी स्टूपिड एज थिंग्स, राइट, दे सेड. तो आकांक्षा वेंट ऑन अ कॉल विद हर एंड शी वाज लाइक तुम्हें क्या बातें कर चल गए भाई, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर यू आस्किंग, एंड देन श्रेया वाज जस्टिफाइंग कि you know, if you're coming to a podcast, obviously I'll ask you everything and all of that, which I don't feel like it's valid. You are talking about some girl's character on a platform that you are given, not acceptable, but I don't really feel like she has that much of a relevance though. But the weird part is that Shreya speaks about women like उसने वो rape वाली चीज़ पे इतना she spoke, and then you have no comment that some person allegedly is coming to your podcast and claiming that this other girl was sleeping in whatever, and Shreya had no problem in that. In your podcast you have no problem in that, but somebody else does it, you have a problem with that, which is so weird to me. But then सब सो गए. We got to see that everybody slept in their cell, and then वो उठे, and the alarm was quite fun. मुझे तो beat वाली मुझे अच्छी लगी वो alarm, whatever they had, you know, and I'm telling you, like Sufi and Laila, मतलब like Laila was asking Sufi like are you okay, like are you fine, and वो इतना प्यार से पूछ रहा था, but Sufi is a भाव खाओ, he was like मुझसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, मुझसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, you know, he was like that. Laila was like to Pam कि मैं तुम्हारा you know क्या बोला था उसने, हाँ, कि जब अलार्म बजेगी ना मैं तुम्हारे कान में उंगली डाल दूंगा सुबह सुबह. That's just such a cute vibe, Laila और ये Pam वाला जो भी चल रहा है, you know, and ये क्या मस्त गाना था in the morning. I'm telling you, like it was just beat, and everybody had like this attendance like chart that had come. तो सब लोग खड़े हो गए थे, and they were like posing like for attendance, like you have in real prisons, you know, you have to sit in front of a camera and they scan your face, and you're like okay, like your attendance is done, you know. So it was like that sort of a thing. And Pam was like मुझे 7 mosquito bite कर गए, मैंने 7 काउंट करे कि मुझे 7 mosquito bite कर लिए. मतलब like that rich girl has come to this lockup thinking कि यहाँ पे भी सब कुछ मुझे हाथ में ही मिलेगा, you know, I don't have to do anything. I bet you अगर इधर किचन होता ना, इतनी लड़ाइयाँ होती ना. If Netflix had put this, but I don't think Netflix ये करता, because राशन क्यों खरीदेगा Netflix, right? And Akanksha G and Harshit had a very cute-ish banter, I feel. ठीक है, वो लोग like बाहर in their gardenish area, they were like speaking to each other, and Akanksha called this Harshit guy Candy. And she asked why she was called Ansanskari, and I'm like, why are you calling this man Candy when your divorce is not even finalized, right? मतलब तुम्हारा हो गया है divorce, so then that's fine, but तुम्हारा अगर नहीं हुआ and you're calling another man Candy on national television, it's gonna come across very weird to me. मतलब मुझे तो बड़ा अजीब लगा वो बात, but ठीक है, it was all fun and good, right? So then Shreya and Akanksha G started talking again, and Shreya was asking her कि like तुम्हें प्यार अगर हो गया तो तुम पढ़ोगी दोबारा. I pray कि तुम दोनों साथ में आ जाओ वापस, Gaurav and Akanksha together back. Like, let me tell you, Shreya, why do you have your nose in everyone's business? Like, हर जगह she needs to meddle, she needs to have her leg in, and it looks so desperate. It looks like you're trying too hard, she's that मगरमच्छ that just wants to come in between. I don't know why. Like, it's their relationship, let them sort out. उनका नहीं चला, you are nobody to come in between and say or do anything. So I was like, bro, like, why Shreya, why are you so desperate for footage? Like, Shreya and Yogesh लड़ लिए फिर, because Shreya gave like this taunt कि जब तक ये है ना यहाँ पे तो लड़ाइयाँ होंगी. तो सूफी basically asked कि मतलब तुम्हें क्या लगता है यहाँ पे लड़ाई कब होगी? मुझे लग रहा है 24 hours later, like this gonna start fighting, everybody's gonna start fighting. तो Shreya ने बोला कि क्या कहते हैं, जब तक ये बंदा यहाँ पे है तब तो लड़ाइयाँ होंगी ही. And exactly that triggered Yogesh. मतलब किसी को भी trigger होता bro. Like, why are you suddenly taunting this guy for no reason? Like, he did not even comment between the conversations. Why would you start it, Shreya? No clue, bro. And then they started talking about things that were too personal. She called him a cheater, कि तेरी तो ये है, तेरी वो है. And then Akanksha came, because obviously she is also in that mix, right? तो Akanksha came and she was like, तू तो मेरा फैन पेज बना ले कि तुझे सब कुछ मेरे बारे में पता है. Like, first of all, Shreya, how do you know so much about Akanksha? Like, about her family, ठीक है, about her brother being an IS or what not, ठीक है, कि she comes from a poor family, whatever the hell that is. How do you know so much? Like, how do you know so much? Literally, you're like a fan. She was right. You should have literally created a fan page for Akanksha. If you know so much about her, you should have a fan page, like, of her, literally, because तुम्हारा तो genuinely कोई नहीं बनाएगा, Shreya. I'm pretty sure about that, Shreya was calling them two crazy kids. Bro, those kids are on the same platform as you, and they're more relevant than you. They have more followers than you. I think you should keep your mouth shut, is what I believe. क्योंकि you are extremely irritating. मतलब मुझे ये बंदी बहुत irritating लग रही है in each and every episode, and it's just the beginning. So the first impression to the audience is already bad, right? तो क्योंकि श्रेया कालरा इतनी aggressive, इतनी बदतमीज आ रही है on screen that I don't think anybody is liking her, to be honest. And this is the first impression. First impression is the last impression. You also, I was like, no, bro. Like, you going to her family, which was unnecessary, right? Like, everything was just unnecessary. She said she just wanted to say it because she had it in her head and she wanted to have a fight to say all of this, so she did. ठीक है बहन, And कोई तो बोल रहा था पीछे से that someone was like, it's a compliment to be called a bitch. So basically, Shreya ने Akanksha को बोला, you're like, I'm your mommy, be good to me, you bitch. Like, and she was like, you bitch. And I was like, bro, without a reason you're giving courses to somebody on national television. It's not all right. So somebody was like, it's a compliment to be called a bitch. And Yogesh was like, तुम्हारे लिए होगा, इसके लिए नहीं है. So Yogesh was taking a stand for Akanksha, which was much appreciated. मतलब, it was definitely wanted at that time. And Shreya was triggering Akanksha so much. Like, I felt कि इतना trigger करी जा रही है Akanksha को, like calling her कि like घर पे like family members का हो गया, या फिर तुम poor हो, या फिर तुम्हारे brothers IS है तो तुम्हारे पास पैसे क्यों नहीं है. Excuse me, who are you to say all of this to somebody? तुम इतना उसके बारे में जानते हो, that's concerning. Get a life. So bad, bro. Actually, Shreya was super bad and I did not like her. But anyways, that but Sufi also did take a stand for Akanksha, but in his own way. So because Sufi and Shreya की kind of like friendship हो गई है, so Sufi just उसको side में बोलता है कि you should not have spoken about a family like that, and Shreya was like कुछ नहीं बोलती वो, because she knew she was wrong, because she knew. And you know what she was justifying it by? She was like, he went on my character, so Yogesh went on your character, go on him, right? You should speak to him, right? Why are you speaking about Akanksha's family? How is she involved in it? I don't understand, but ठीक. And that scene where Shivangi had like a butterfly on her shoulder and they showed the scene, I was like, that's so adorable. Like, this is going to be my favorite contestant. Like, मुझे पता था Shivangi आएगी तो she will be literally like my favorite contestant, and that's exactly what's happening. She's not getting in any bus chaos. Like, she's like, सब दोस्ती कर लो, and she's like super cute. I love that character, जब योगेश बाहर बैठा था and he was sitting and Leila bench पे बैठा था and he was like, इस बंदी, ये श्रेया को तो बाहर बंदा है, ये तो इतना ये करती है, भाई नहीं अच्छा लग रहा था ब्रो. लाइक योगेश को नहीं करनी चाहिए ऐसी बातें, डेफिनेटली नहीं करना. बट देन व्हाट शी डिड, श्रेया ने सूफी को बोला कि इफ यू टॉक टू दीज टू पीपल, योगेश एंड आकांक्षा, आई विल नॉट स्पीक टू. लाइक हु आर यू बहन? Like seriously, like who are you behen to tell them that they cannot speak to each other? And Sufi was like, you're not my friend, like nobody's my friend here, so I'm gonna speak to everybody, which was good point, Sufi, right? Why was this guy, like this Leila was saying misogyny, like पता नहीं क्या, मुझे मसागी क्या बोल रहा था वो, which was super funny. I loved it. I love this personality. Like मेरा लैला भी मुझे बहुत favorite लगने लग गया. I think whenever he's talking, I'm just like, I'm laughing my ass off. So pretty cool guy, right? And why was Shreya asking Harshad about his personal and loved life or like his marriage life? मतलब क्यों? Why do you have to ask? ठीक है? Why? First of all, why are you asking? Is it any of your business? तुम अपने बारे में कुछ मत बताओ, बट द अदर पर्सन हैज टू से एवरीथिंग अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. तुमने तो अपनी लाइफ के बारे में नहीं बताया, तुमने तो नहीं बताया कि तुम अपने जो भी तुम्हारा बंदा है तुम उससे शादी कब करोगे. तो व्हाई आर यू आस्किंग दिस पर्सन? मतलब आई फील लाइक इट्स सुपर दोगला is what I feel, right? So I feel like Shreya is playing a very horrible gameplay. बहुत ही बुरा खेल रही है वो, but I know Shreya will go to the end क्योंकि वो content दे रही है तो they will have to, but no way she's winning this show, no way, like there's like absolutely no way, So जब Harshad was explaining his love life and all of that, so I was just like, I felt really bad for him, because he was like trying, मतलब वो होता है ना बिल्कुल इनोसेंट वाई मेरे को, लाइक दिस पर्सन हैज जेन्युइनली नॉट सीन अ लॉट इन हिज लाइफ, और इफ ही हैज, ही जस्ट डज नॉट लाइक स्पीकिंग अबाउट इट. एंड मुझे आया थ्रू द स्क्रीन, आई कुड फील दिस पर्सन इज लाइक बड़ा इनोसेंट एंड लाइक बहुत इनोसेंट वाई फ्रॉम हर्षित एंड शिवांगी ऑल्सो, राइट? तो आई लाइक देम. So then they were called to the arena. This was the place जहाँ पे सारे टास्क होंगे, जहाँ पे ये लोग कुत्ते बैलों की तरह लड़ेंगे, strategies will be made and all of that. But arena कितना sexy बनाया इन्होंने guys. Like जब वो lights on हुई, I was like wow, the set is just beautiful. I think Netflix ने जो set बनाया है in the middle of this thing, I don't know अगर उन्होंने actually ऐसा बनाया है, but the graphics, the set, bro, if Lockup team is watching this, please hire me for your set because I'll make it even better, so and so Harshit and Akanksha ji, like I told you guys, so they were safe for the week, so unko upper hand mila, so they were standing elsewhere and the other people were standing this side, right? So these two people were given this opportunity to be safe this week, and the 13 people standing beside or like in front of them, they were given a task. Now this task was to save themselves from this week of elimination. So उन पे था कि you have to start from this point, okay? You have to start from this point and you need to go till the end, and there are 3 bands there. तो इन bands में तीनों में green था, तो they already had red bands. वो band जैसे वो collect कर लेते हैं तो they'll go green. So that means you will be safe for the week. Now as you go from point 1 to B, there will be shots fired at you, and those shots will be fired from Harshad and Akanksha that will be standing on top and firing at you from I think those are like paintballs, if I'm not wrong. So if you get hit, they get money. Now they get money for the rations, so उनके पास around 1 lakh के around था कुछ. So जैसे ही वो तुम्हें शूट करेंगे per ball, anybody that gets shot, they're gonna get 10k. तो मान लो if one person is getting hit like 2 times, तो उनको 20k मिल गया for their rations for the week. So this was basically the task. Quite simple, quite great, एंड जब इनकी स्ट्रैटेजी बन रही थी आकांक्षा एंड हर्षित की, आई लव्ड कि इन लोगों ने ये स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया कि दे विल हिट एनीबडी, लाइक एवरीबडी दे विल हिट एंड दे विल नॉट लीव एनीबडी, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मतलब एक साइड पे यू कुड फेवर योर फ्रेंड्स एंड मेक एन अलायंस, एंड वन साइड you can literally play your own game and just be in power and keep the rest of everybody like out and below. Both were a good strategy, so they chose the wiser, which was कि हम सबको मारेंगे, जो आएगा हम सबको मारेंगे. And Sufi was like, I will, this is my plan, okay? Sufi का plan था, I will just run like a chicken. I will run like a chicken so that they won't hit me, but yeah. So they geared up, and why did they gear up like a SWAT team? So if you don't know what a SWAT team is, so America में ना there's this like bigger police force I feel like, और उनके पास एक like proper SWAT वो होता है armor, so they have like all black like full like this बड़ा बड़ा डब्बा on their head, helmet and all that. तो I was like ठीक है, it's for protectiveness, तो I will not disagree, ठीक है. तो वो उन्होंने पहना, and उसके बाद the first person that they called, again this was a strategy कि सबसे ज़्यादा slower लोगों को वो पहले बुलाएंगे ताकि वो लोग slow जाएं and they can just check कि उन पे shoot हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. तो Sunita was the first one and she got hit in 2 minutes, like she got instantly hit and she got hit pretty bad, मतलब उनको बहुत तेज़ लगी भी, and she was called I believe to the medical room or something like that. तो उनको बड़ी तेज़ लगी and I felt extremely bad because I know थोड़ा old age में ज़्यादा तेज़ लगता है also. I felt really bad for her, but ठीक है, moving on. So next person was Madhuri ji, and she of course got hit again. मतलब every next was like Madhuri, and she kept hiding and all of that, but she did try to hide. But Harshit was like a sniper, like he was standing up there and he was like hitting them right on their helmets, like it was such a good shot, and he could have been a sniper in his previous life. Literally, it was so good. Like Harshit was aiming very good. Jab Ram Kapoor aaya, next was Ram Kapoor. Okay, and he ran like crazy. He was like really good. He almost came till the end, but they got hit, and he got hit in his balls. If you don't know what balls is, I will not translate, but unhone bola tha ek word which I will say, gota. So he got hit in his gota, which was that's also ouch, right? But that was that, right? And Pam went next, the Dubai bling girlie, and she got hit on her mouth, like ouch, like I could feel their pain, मुझे क्यों लग रहा था कि I was playing the game and I'm getting hit on my head or helmet or like anything like that, but like, it was crazy, And Yogesh Gann, I was like, he's the ace performer, he will go till the end. मुझे लगा ही था, I was like 100% sure Yogesh will make it to the end. कोई मिले ना मिले, ये तो मतलब उसको बहुत बोलते हैं कि he's a very good performer. I've even seen him performing in Splitsvilla, so I know कि वो बहुत अच्छा perform करेगा. But he also got shot because Harshad and Akanksha ji, that was standing ऊपर, they hit so well. They hit so well, literally इतना बढ़िया उन्होंने shoot करा है सबको. That was amazing. And Sufi गया next. ठीक है, सूफी ने बोला था कि वो चिकन की तरह भागेगा, बट वो नहीं भागा बिकॉज वो स्टार्टिंग में ही हो गया एंड उसको बड़ी तेज लगी. आई थिंक ही जस्ट लाइक, मतलब कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कि बहुत ही सेंसिटिव होते हैं टू फिजिकल थिंग्स, राइट? तो वो थोड़ा सा उसको एंजाइटी हुआ थोड़ा सा, आई फील, एंड फेल्ट बैड फॉर हिम, बट अगेन इट्स अ गेम, सो या. So then Lela went and he almost made it. Lela was I think the closest person that made it, right? And but Lela को भी shots पड़ गए and Lela was out. ठीक है, उसके बाद they had earned like till then like around 70k already for their rations. That could have been good enough, and Akanksha and Harshit should have changed their whatever their strategy was, and they could have let 3 people be safe, but they did not do that. So next गया धीरज. I expected this guy to go till the end and win it. मतलब ये this guy just seems physically quite strong, तो मुझे लगा ये भी हो सकता है potential that will get further and be safe, but no. And आते आते ही so they were like yeah. एंड राम कपूर पानी के लिए मांग रहा था और उनको पानी नहीं मिल रहा था, एंड देन रितेश ने बोला तुम पानी अपने लिए लेके आना, तुम्हारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, प्लीज ब्रिंग बॉटल्स. एंड लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू दिस गाय. दिस इज कोको. शी विल स्लीप द होल वीडियो, सो आई होप यू गाइज डोंट माइंड, बट लेट्स लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड नेक्स्ट वेंट श्रेया. नाउ श्रेया एंड आकांक्षा जी जो थी ऊपर, उनकी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप हो रही थी, तो आई थॉट maybe she'll have a benefit and she will go ahead, but she got shot, boom boom. And she is also a player. I don't know what kind of a player she is, but she claims to be very good in physical tasks, but मेरे को तो नहीं लगा. You were just horrible man. एंड उसके बाद मतलब मैंने किसी को भी नहीं देखा कि कोई इतना रो रहा था कि दे हैव लॉस्ट द टास्क, बट दिस गर्ल वेंट ऑन एंड क्रिब्ड द होल एपिसोड आफ्टर दैट कि मुझे इन्होंने जीतने नहीं दिया. शी शुड हैव लेट देयर फ्रेंड्स विन एंड ऑल दैट. आई एम लाइक चुप हो जा मैन, आई डोंट वांट टू सी यू. एंड देन आकांक्षा वेंट. आकांक्षा वाज did have some sort of a strategy, but it did not work for her. She was like crouching, मतलब वो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ी, but then she got hit, but ठीक है, that's fine. Then Shivangi गई, and Shivangi is friends with both Harshad and Akanksha ji. तो we thought maybe उसको तो जाने देंगे, but no, she got hit too. But she was like super cute कि like मेरे को मत मारो please, मेरे को मत मारो. And I was like, so adorable you are bro, you're so adorable. Like she's like that kid that has got into this prison for no reason. Like she's super cute, she's one of my favorites you all like. And उसी के बीच में राम मिडिल में घुस जाता है and he was like मेरा पानी दो. And then they were like please साइड हो जाओ, आपको अंदर जाके मिल जाएगा अपना पानी, ठीक है. And then Riyaz went and वो भी end तक पहुंचा but got shot. So everybody got shot, like literally everybody. So मुझे लगता है that आकांक्षा and हर्षित did do the right strategy. मतलब अगर वो किसी को नहीं मारते then क्या point था, right? तो they hit everybody literally. वो 13 के 13 they hit. एंड एंड में उनका जो राशन का जो वो पूरा प्राइस था, लेट मी टेल यू द अमाउंट, 2,03,300. वाओ, फॉर जस्ट देयर राशन. और उनमें भी उनको पिक करना पड़ रहा है, वो नहीं मंगवा सकते. लाइक सूफी बोल रहा था मुझे कॉफी ग्रीन टी ये सब कुछ आएगा मेरे लिए, बूम बूम बूम, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था यार, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता है. बट अमेजिंग स्ट्रेटजी बाय आकांक्षा जी एंड हर्षित, लव्ड इट यू ऑल. एंड जब ये लोग लाइक बात कर रहे थे आफ्टर द टास्क, दे लाइक वेंट इनटू द हाउस एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. आकांक्षा ने बोला कि मैंने तो बस, तुमने कहीं चोट नहीं मारी, दिल पे चोट मारी. दैट वाज क्वाइट फनी टू So Sunita ji was crying though, and I felt extremely bad, like क्योंकि उन्हें actually लग गई थी, तो I just felt really bad, And Harshad वहाँ पे side में मतलब he was getting like teary up, like he was almost about to cry because he was like I don't want to hurt anybody, I don't want anybody to hurt me or I want to hurt anybody. But Shreya was like this is a game and you need to understand that emotions होते हैं, तो उस चीज़ में Shreya was somewhere right. And then Sufi started crying क्योंकि Sufi को he was sleep deprived and he was just like मेरे को खाना भी मतलब अजीब है यहाँ पे. he was just feeling really bad. and I think जब तुम ऐसे शो में होते हो ना, like lockup जैसे शो में, where there's like not much space to breathe in, or like you have cameras everywhere. Of course reality TV show, it's not going to be like a piece of cake, it's really difficult. तो Sufi got quite tensed and मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा उसके लिए, but it's a show, And मतलब Laila literally stole my heart in this episode. Like he was so sweet, like he was like a cute pie, मुझे तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा. Like he was caring and all of that. और वो हंसा रहा था मेरे को, तो I love people. I love that people do that. And then Laila जब वो लोगों को बता रहा था कि सूफी रो रहा है, and he was like उर्फी. उन्होंने सूफी को उर्फी बुलाया. I was just like I had such a big laugh and that was super sweet, श्रेष्ठा फिर एक्सप्लेन कर लेना. दिस श्रेष्ठा पर्सन इज, व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड इज कि उसका भाई है एक बहुत ही फेमस इंडियन क्रिकेटर. आई डोंट वॉच क्रिकेट, तो आई डोंट रियली नो ऑल. इफ यू नो आई एम सो सॉरी, मेरे को नहीं पता है, मेरे को उनका फैन क्लब नहीं पता. बट शी वाज लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ माई ब्रदर आई एम लाइक आई एम टाइटल्ड entitled. तो उनके स्लीपिंग सेल में entitled था श्रेष्ठा के. सो शी वाज जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग लाइक व्हाई पीपल आर सेइंग दैट अबाउट मी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड देन जैसे उसने अपने भाई का नाम बोला, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर द ब्रदर्स नेम, आई एम सो सॉरी, ठीक है. बट उसने जैसे अपने भाई का नाम, राम कपूर वाज लाइक लेट मी डू अ हैंडशेक, लेट मी डू अ हैंडशेक. प्रॉपर पापा वाइब्स ही गिव्स राम कपूर तो फॉर श्योर. जब खाने की बारी आई, मिस पैम गर्ली शोड हर रिच थिंग्स. मतलब शी वॉज लाइक दैट रिच गर्ली दैट इज जस्ट स्टक समवेयर, बिकॉज शी वॉज लाइक मे बी उसको कॉफी मिलेगा, उसको खाना मिलेगा, बट उसे ऐसे कुछ नहीं मिला. सो शी वॉज लाइक शी काइंड ऑफ चिकन एंड शी वॉज क्रेविंग अबाउट फूड, अबाउट दीज मॉस्किटोज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड पैम एक लड़की के साथ बैठी थी, ठीक है. एंड वो लड़की कैमरा को बता रही है कि योर फूड इज रियली बैड लॉकअप, लाइक योर फूड इज एक्सट्रीमली बैड, लाइक रियली बैड. एंड पैम वॉज लाइक तुम पागल हो क्या, तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो, वो तुम्हें रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, वो तुम्हें रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं कैमरा. मतलब that was just hilarious. Loved it. And फिर ना वहाँ से बाहर से लैला बोलता है तुम्हें मैकपफ दूँ मैं? और वो बोलती है मैकपफ क्या होता है? लाइक बहन तुम इतनी भी रिच नहीं हो कि यू हैव नेवर हैड अ मैकपफ. इफ यू हैवंट प्लीज हैव वन, ट्राई इट एटलीस्ट. थोड़ी जिंदगी जियो अपनी. राइट. तो पैम लाइक पैम व्हाट शी डिड नाउ, I have to say this, it's not okay. It's not okay. I don't agree with it. She like took her slipper and she hit Laila with it in like a fun jokey way or whatever it was. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा वो, because I don't condemn violence here. Even if it's in a fun way, I'm not into it. So Pam was just a boo boo in that way, you know. So and ये खाना जैसे आया, everybody was like, you know, जैसे वो खाना बाहर आ रहा था, did you guys notice? It was like pew 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 ऐसी आवाज आई है ना, like that is so cute. But खाना आया and everybody was like ये पानी डाल दिया तुमने पालक पनीर में, ये क्या पानी है? Pam was like पानी है. फिर धीरज वहां से बोलता कि ये पानी नहीं है बिकॉज तुमने 4 प्लेटें बनाए ना, तो उन्होंने कहा कि चलो यार इतना सारा खाना बनाया, थोड़ा मिनरल वाटर डाल देते, मिनरल वाटर है. एंड Shrestha, Yogesh and Akanksha, Jessie, like, you know, lights off हुई, they all went to the bed and then Shrestha started fighting with Yogesh. I don't know किस चीज़ के ऊपर हो रही थी लड़ाई. Footage. ठीक है. तो they were just like fighting and all of that and I was like किस चीज़ के बारे में लड़ाई हो रही है exactly? What is this? ठीक है. But वो दोनों लड़ने लग गए, right? And योगेश ने उंगली नहीं की, आई फील लाइक श्रेष्ठा ने थोड़ी सी उंगली करी थी उसको. योगेश भी कम नहीं है भाई, वो शुरू हो जाता है. एंड देन श्रेष्ठा स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट कि तू तो चीटर है. तो वो भी ट्रिगर हो गया एंड आकांक्षा बीच में आ गई बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू आर गोइंग टू लिटरली, तुम किसी बंदे को चीटर बुला रहे हो जिसके साथ वो आई है इन दिस शो. आई थिंक शी केम इंडिविजुअली बट उनको ज्वाइन कर रखा है, तो हम जस्ट गोना से दैट, राइट. तो ऑफकोर्स वो अंदर आएगी, थोड़ा सा बोलेगी भाई तुम मुझे देख के क्यों कर रही है भाई. तो देन आकांक्षा का पॉइंट मुझे सही लगा कि ब्रो तुम अगर उसे कुछ बोल रहे हो तो तुम उस तक रखो ना. वाई आर यू लुकिंग एट हर एंड पॉइंटिंग एट हर, यू नो. एंड वहां पे पीछे आकांक्षा जी आई, ठीक है, द अदर आकांक्षा, एंड शी वाज लाइक ऑन दिस पोल एंड शी वाज लाइक तुमने मुझे सोना नहीं देना, मैं चुड़ैल बन जाऊंगी. एंड देन पैम वहां देखती है उसे कि तुम क्या कैसे बनोगी चुड़ैल. फिर वो ऐसे लाइक शी इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड शी वाज लाइक ये चुड़ैल तो नहीं पोल डांसिंग ज्यादा लग रही है. एंड दे वर लाइक लाफिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. मतलब आई वाज लाइक ये क्या चल रहा है ब्रो, what is happening, because I was just like क्या चल क्या रहा है actually, you know. And फिर राम कपूर श्रेष्ठा को समझा रहा था कि you know like don't give this much importance to this fights and all of that, क्योंकि तुम फिर उस बंदे को पावर दे रहे हो, which 100% agreed. राम कपूर, I agree with you, my child. No, not my child, but I agree with you. And then योगेश एंड रियाज बिल्कुल एंड में वो लोग बात कर रहे थे, यू नो. रियाज उसको कुछ समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. मैंने पूरे एपिसोड में पहली बार रियाज को देखा, तो या दे वर जस्ट टॉकिंग एंड दैट वाज द एंड ऑफ दिस होल एपिसोड. एंड देन मैंने पहली बार देखा है, ठीक है, जैसे बिग बॉस में ऐसा आई डोंट नो इफ यू ऑल हैव नोटिस, मतलब वो लोग ना कभी जैसे एक एपिसोड में 2 बारी लाइक वो अलार्म नहीं बजता है, बट इन दिस दे डिड शो एंड में कि अलार्म बज रहा है एंड देयर इज लाइक अ न्यू फ्रेश डे. आई थिंक दे व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू डू नाउ, बिकॉज इनकी शूटिंग 1-2 दिन पहले हो गई होगी, तो नाउ दे आर ट्राइंग टू be equal. So is my thinking. But वो अलार्म बजा एंड एवरीबडी गॉट अप एंड देन दे हैड दिस बोर्ड एंड उस पर लिखा हुआ था कि तुम्हें उन लोगों की स्ट्रैटेजी, आकांक्षा और हर्षित की स्ट्रैटेजी कैसी लगी, नलायक या फिर गुड. एंड देन दे वर लाइक वोटिंग, पर इतना कुछ दिखाया नहीं. आई थिंक वो कल के एपिसोड में ज्यादा दिखाएंगे. एंड मैं अब तुम्हें बात करना चाहती हूँ कल के प्रोमो के लिए, बिकॉज व्हाट डिड वी सी इन द प्रोमो. Yogangsha flirting, मतलब not Yogangsha flirting, like Yogesh is flirting with Akanksha. मेरे को तो बड़े क्यूट लग रहे हैं bro. It's giving couple goals. I love love, तो मुझे तो बड़ा पसंद आया. Whatever they're doing, it's like that fun, like flirtish banter, whatever is going on. I like it. What do you all think? Like, did you guys like Yogangsha? What was your opinions on this episode? क्या लग रहा है तुम्हें? What do you guys think? This is fun or what? And let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, please subscribe and like this video for more reviews, and I'll see you tomorrow for the episode 3.